Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel Islamic Quiz. Today we have 10 Guess the Prophet by emoji quizzes. Before we start, remember to like and subscribe to us. Without any further delay, let's get started. Quiz number 1. Do you recognize which prophet this is? Nuh alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 2. Can you guess the prophet by emoji? Ibrahim alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 3. What about this quiz? Adam alayhi salam. Quiz number 4. I guess you know that. Yunus alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 5. Can you guess the prophet by emoji? Musa alayhi salam. Quiz number 6. Do you recognize which prophet this is? Sulaiman alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 7. Can you guess the prophet by emoji? Ayub alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 8. I believe you can guess this prophet. Isa alayhi salam is correct answer. Quiz number 9. Do you recognize which prophet this is? Muhammad sallallahu alayhi salam. Quiz number 10. Can you guess the prophet by emoji? Ismail alayhi salam is correct answer. Hope you already done all quizzes. Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Islamic Quiz and press the bell button for new videos notifications.